While a basic search will get you the documents that you typically need, sometimes you want to do a more advanced search to narrow down the results of what you're looking for. For example, if I do a search for the name Sheridan, that'll return back to me all the documents that say Sheridan inside the client name. But I have to scroll up and down this list trying to find what I'm looking for. I can still resort the list by a particular document type if I'm looking for, say, an application. There are ways that you can do a more advanced search to narrow this down right off the bat. So instead of just searching on Sheridan alone, I'll go ahead and type in application for my document type. Now the document results must meet both criteria, Sheridan for the client name and application inside the document type. Now instead of a list of 29 documents I need to scroll through, I have 3 document results to pick from. For index fields with drop-down values such as document type, plan type, and company, the system will try to autocomplete to the closest match within the drop-down list as you're typing it in. You can use the arrow key to highlight the full value, and you can see that it fills in the rest of the word for you. For example, plan type and company. To clear out a value from the index field, simply click in the field and hit the X, and that will remove the value from the field. Or you can highlight it and press delete. When searching by a date value, it's best to put in the entire 4-digit year. However, you can get by with putting in the 2-digit year. But be aware that for 2 digits of 70 to 99, it'll assume you mean 1970 to 1999. Or if you put in 00 to 69, it'll assume you mean 2000 to 2069. In addition to typing the date, you can simply click on the icon to open the pop-up calendar. You may notice this button, Show Hide, on the top right. This allows you to select whether you wish to continue showing an index field value or hiding an index field value from view. Simply by clicking on each value, it unhighlights and makes it disappear from the list. To show the value again, simply click on it and it will return the value back in place. Also, if you click on the index field's text itself, you'll see that it collapses or expands the index fields to search on. If you scroll down past the index fields, you'll see some text that says System Fields. Click on this and it'll expand out the system fields. And what these are index fields that are automatically filled in by the system when a document's added in. You can see the actual document creation date, year, month, day, hour, minute, second of a document's addition to the system. Also, its document ID number, which is a unique, non-repeating number that's specific to each document in the project. Beneath the system fields, you'll find the search options. Search type, you've got the option of and or, and you've got the sort by option. Search type is how multiple values in the index fields are utilized. On an and type search, it means the document results must meet all of the criteria, client name and document type and plan type, so on and so forth. With the search type of or, it means the document results meet any one of the criteria, the client name value you're searching for, or the document type value, or the plan type. For example, let's go ahead and do a search for Sheridan or application. Now, instead of 29 documents, I'm going to see about 500 documents on my results list. You see some documents here that have absolutely nothing to do with the client name Sheridan, but the document type contains application. Typically, this is not quite as useful as the and option is. So and being the default and the value people typically leave it at. Sort by is simply the default field that the results will be sorted by after the search. The defaults being the first index field in an ascending order, so client name in ascending order A to Z. If you want to change this to something more like document date in descending order, it'll put the newest documents at the top and oldest at the bottom. You can select a sort by value of document date minus. Let me redo my search for Sheridan. Client name Sheridan. Sort by document date minus. Do my search. So you can see the client names are not in alphabetical order, but the document dates are in chronological order, with the newest ones being at the top. Of course, on this page, you can still simply click on any one of the index field columns and resort the list by that particular field. That'll be covered more in the search results video. The last option on the search criteria screen is the full text search criteria. For a full breakdown of full text searching, its capabilities and functionality, go and refer to our full text search video, or contact us here at Mutimetrics.